Welcome to People HR Solutions India, empowering careers. Visit us at www.peopleHRsolutions.in. Get noticed, get hired.
Struggling to get interview calls? Your resume might be the reason. Try our services: resume writing, interview coaching, and personal branding. Expert crafted HR services to boost your career. Resume writing services. ATS optimized resume. Affordable. Customized for job roles. Delivery within 2 to 3 business days. Interview coaching. One-on-one mock interview. 15-30 to 45 minutes. Tailored to your industry and experience. Feedback plus improvement tips. Personal branding. Land interviews with confidence and ace them with impact. Our coaching sessions cover common and tough interview questions. STAR method for storytelling success. Personalized mock interviews with real-time feedback. Body language, tone, and communication tips. Strategies for virtual, panel, and behavioral interviews. Book now. Limited time offer. Limited slots available. Visit us at www.peopleHRsolutions.in. Get noticed, get hired. People HR Solutions India, empowering careers. Register now and claim your free resume score. Visit us at www.peopleHRsolutions.in. Get noticed, get hired. People HR Solutions India, empowering careers.
Claim your free career consultation. Visit us at www.peopleHRsolutions.in. Get noticed, get hired. People HR Solutions India, empowering careers.
Get your resume at just 499 rupees, actual price 4,999 rupees. Limited time offer, limited slots available. Visit us at www.peopleHRsolutions.in. Get noticed, get hired. People HR Solutions India, empowering careers.
Get your interview coaching at just 2,499 rupees, actual price 12,499 rupees. Book now, limited time offer, limited slots available. Visit us at www.peopleHRsolutions.in. Get noticed, get hired. People HR Solutions India, empowering careers.
Get your career booster package at just 4,999 rupees, actual price 24,999 rupees. Book now, limited time offer, limited slots available. Visit us at www.peopleHRsolutions.in. Get noticed, get hired. People HR Solutions India, empowering careers. Welcome to our talent internship program at People HR Solutions India, empowering careers. Let's walk through and guide you through day 0 and set the foundation for your journey. This covers orientation recap, self-skill assessment, personal learning goals, tool familiarization and reflection. Get set, go.
Our orientation session includes the overview, problem, statement, methodology, program, structure, model, development, evaluation, metrics, result and impact, and future directions. Followed by orientation declaration and orientation quiz. Once orientation quiz id passed, you move to next section, that is orientation recap. In orientation recap, revisit the orientation slides uploaded in your LMS. Make sure you understand the program's structure, methodology and expectations. Once reviewed, mark the checkbox in your LMS portal, Orientation Reviewed. And then move to Self-Skill Assessment. Next, in Self-Skill Assessment, complete the Self-Skill Assessment form in the LMS portal. Choose your domain, I and Analytics, HR, marketing, or sales. Your responses will help us tailor your internship experience, and then move to personal learning goals.
In personal learning goals, define 3 to 5 personal learning goals using the SMART framework: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Including one measurable revenue goal that you will deliver during your talent internship program. Submit your goals in the LMS portal, and then move to tool familiarization. In tool familiarization, declare that you are familiar with the digital tools and use Google Suite, Microsoft Suite, social media platforms, programming tools, and AI tools. Once declared, then attempt quiz on digital tools in the LMS portal. And then move to reflection section.
In reflection, finally, write a short reflection of 150 to 200 words. Share what you learned in orientation, your skill strengths and weaknesses, and your expectations for this internship. Your journey begins now, and that's week 1. Stay consistent, stay curious, and let's grow together. Don't forget to complete your tasks on time. WhatsApp us. +91 9211781687. Write us. info@peopleHRsolutions.in. Visit us at peopleHRsolutions.in and subscribe.